So what's going on, guys? I wonder how to put a bot on your Discord server. I know it's an old thing and maybe you already knew how, but maybe there's some boomers who still don't know how to do it, and maybe you're one of them. So let's move on point how to add a Discord bot in your server. So first, open your browser and search on Google Discord bot, Discord bot, and open the first link, and it opens a site, the official site of Discord bot list, where you can find any bot that you can add. And here you can find a meme bot like Dank Memer, or bot for music. The most famous one for music, I think, is Rhythm. And from this box here you can search any Discord bot that you want. So let's say we want to add the Groovy. This bot is for music, and I could add Rhythm, but it's often have some bugs, so I often use Groovy because we have no bugs. And let's say we want to add it, so that's why we click on invite and open a tab, and here we can choose on which server that we want to add this bot. So we click on our server, Shrek server, of course, continue, authorize. We're saying that we are not human. We are human, yeah, of course, I'm not a robot. And as you can see, now our bot is here on our server. So let's say we wanna play some song, and also you have to use a command like this, because on different bots you can use different commands, but in Groovy this command is this. You can also customize the command, but that's other thing. I don't have enough time to explain you how. So let's say we want to play coffin dance like this. Oops. And now, as you can see, it's working. And if I helped you out, just disconnect her now. If I helped you out, make sure to give a like, and if you have some questions or some problems, I will try to respond on your comments down below. And yeah, see you next video. Bye.